Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will solve one's questions. Write a function called city country that takes in the name of a city and its country. The function should return a string format like this. Santiago, Chile. Call your function without list, city country pairs, and print the value that returns. So this is return value. How to solve this? The first one, you just add def, and then city country, and then city country, and then what is the parameter is city and the country. Then you just add f maybe city info, and then what the meaning f, and then Santiago, and then city, and what the meaning, wait, I forgot, and then country, then return info dot, wait a minute, the title like this. Wait a minute. So okay, good, and then we just what the meaning, maybe I don't know how to get what's the meaning, variable information as city country, and then what's the meaning, okay, what is Santiago, and then Chile, and then what the meaning, is it true, like this, what the meaning, and then print. Okay, is it true? Let's try. Santiago, Chile. Okay. Why I'm confused? Because like this, because I add comma, and then this is the comma, and then I add this. So wait a minute, true, maybe true size. Yes, because the concept is comma. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, then how to make a pairing, you just add another information, in this case it's city country, like this, but because this is the variable, this will replace the another one, maybe I mean Jakarta, and then Indonesia, and then information. So the output will be wait, four, and then output will be the last one, city country Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Is it true? Why? Because the name of variable, because this is the variable, and the variable will be replaced one by one if we add some value and then replace. So that's why the output will be Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. How to edit? So that's the tree of the city country, and the city and the country will be printed. Let's solve this. I mean like this. you can change. I think you don't make a variable, so this delete, and then you just add the print in the beginning, so that's why it's more print, and then like this. Ta-da! And then at the last, it's more easy for us to expect that 3 of the city and the country will be printed. Okay, done. So don't forget to add to your GitHub. Git add, wait a minute, git commit min what is return value, and then git push my, okay, done. So what the meaning is title? The title mean if the country, if the argument is not in the huruf besar, big word, big letter, so the output will be always in the big letter. Kuala Lumpur too, even if it's two words Kuala and then Lumpur, so that's why the title is that meaning. Okay, done. Let's try another question. Bye bye.